Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and review on this Hatch Restore 2. So here's everything. I just opened the box. Here it is right here. Let's open it up. See, there's more accessories down here. Okay, so this is the power adapter that you're going to need to plug it into the wall. And we've got the manual. Okay, the power adapter looks like it has a really long cord. You're going to plug it into, it's 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Output is 24 volts, 1.5 amps. Okay, so let's plug it into the wall outlet, and then we'll plug this other end in right here, down here. There's a little spot for it to come out. Now the power cord is 5 feet long. Again, you're just simply going to plug it in right here. It's very easy to plug in, and it still sits there. Looks like we got some buttons, 2 big buttons up here, nothing over here. So it looks like you will need the Hatch Sleep app. Okay, once you log in to the app, you will need to click the add button. Okay, it says plug the device in. It's plugged in. So it says we found it. It says we found your Hatch. We're going to click let's go. And I really don't notice anything on this while it's doing that setup. Here, I've turned the lights off again. I still don't see anything going on, but it is, oh, right here. It's very subtle. Okay, let's go over the different buttons on here. So here, this is the rest button, and this is the rise button. You can see it's like a sunrise, and that's like a sunset. Here is the alarm on and off. That's disabled the alarm, and slide it to right. That means it's enabled. So if you see the red, that means the alarm is off. Slide it that way to turn the alarm on. We have volume up and down, and we have display brightness is right here. A little hard to see. Okay, so here it is. I've set it up in the app. This is what it's going to look like. And it says it will begin 30 minutes before your alarm sounds. But we can adjust this duration later, it says. Press and hold. So we're going to press and hold the rise button to turn the alarm off. Okay. Okay, these are eyeballs. That's an eyeball closed, that's an eyeball open. So rest. We're going to press that button. So here is the rest feature. I've got it on Stormy Sea. We can adjust the volume. There's the volume now. It shows up on the display. So you can press the rest button to turn it off. Press and hold. Now you can adjust the clock setting to always off or always on. That's over here in the app. I've been doing a lot of these features. You can adjust the brightness and the nighttime brightness. So here I've got it always on. Let's go to full brightness. Let's go to full dimness. There, it's really dim. So over here in the app, you're going to pick rise. That's the alarm clock. And you're going to select it right here and give it a time date. So I can pick different colors to rise to. Here's all the different colors. There's mint, there's light green, there's yellow, peach, orange, white, even a pink, purple, blue, and there's the warm white. There's about 50% brightness, there's 100%. So that is pretty bright, unless we can go all the way down to really dim. So depending on what rest you pick, you got different sounds. When you want to activate it, just press the rest button. That's the eye that's going to sleep. And then you got to press and hold it to turn it off. But you can put that on a timer also. Here's some of the different sounds you can have. And I'm previewing over on an app. I'm picking them and you can hear them over here on the Restore. So you've got to use the Hatch Restore app on your phone or tablet to be able to set the alarm and all the different features it has. But it does look really nice and it sounds good, and I do like the light. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.